Rise and grind, folks. Guys, I am on the way to an existing customer. I believe we came out here this past fall for a no heat call, and on top of making a heat repair, we told this customer we'll reach out around this time to schedule an AC tune-up. So guys, we have no history on the AC here, so right now we're out here to do an AC checkup. Let's go take a look, and I'll see y'all when I get inside. All right, guys, this is an 80% Goodman furnace, coil and condenser, straight AC. And we got a 20-degree split. I think the last time we came out here, we replaced the gas valve on that furnace. But this is our AC, and according to the customer, nothing was replaced out here. Now the drain line is not that long inside. I'm gonna check the drain line anyway real quick. I'm gonna get my tool bag and let's see what's going on. I'll see you in a little bit. All right guys, my drain line inside is looking good. And real quick, this is a 13 series, 3-ton. I believe this is a 1306, but this unit looks like it was put in 2013. So this unit is about 9, I'm talking the AC, the coil and condenser. I don't know about the furnace. I forgot the age, but it looks like the furnace and the AC are both about 8 or 9 years old. They don't look ancient. It doesn't look like it's a 2006. But luckily, we got a disconnect box, so I don't have to go inside, hopefully, to turn off the power to my condenser. But what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna kill power, and I'm gonna check that cap. I'll be right back. The electrical component area didn't look too bad. However, before I check the cap, I want to show you guys something here. And this unit is not leveled properly. As you can see, it's on a sag. Now, I don't know how the old unit looked before they replaced that with this one 9 years ago, but putting this unit on a pad and moving these back a little bit would have been the best bet. But the reason why I'm bringing this up, guys, this unit did sound a bit noisy, which led me to believe that it was way past 9 years old. Reason being, if you don't level your condensers and heat pumps properly, meaning if it's pitched too far back or too far in, now some of the oil is going to migrate out the compressor, and before you know it, you're going to have premature compressor problems. That's why, especially with new installations, off the rip, before you operate the system for the first time, make sure you guys do have levelers and make sure that everything is leveled front, back, and side to side. Otherwise, it's going to have issues way before it's time to actually accrue wear and tear. So, all right, guys, what I'm going to do now is check this cap. What is this, a 45.5? And these terminals are rusted. Let me clean these terminals and let's check this cap. I'll be back, guys. Look at this. Once again, this is a 45-5. 42 and some change is our minimum threshold, and we're at a 39. This capacitor is definitely weak. Let me go to the truck and see if I got another one. Make sure I got my key. I know we just picked up a few capacitors last week at the supply house. Let me see if I got another one. I'll be right back, guys. I just spoke with the customer. They want to get this done. And the customer's aware of the noise. However, having a 45 cap at a 39, this is only going to spell future issues for this compressor. So instead of rolling the dice, this customer wants to be proactive and get this done. Guys, I need both of my hands. Let me put this cap back in, and I'm going to test for amps. I'll be right back, guys. Got our new cap in. Our contactor don't look too bad. Fan is at a 0.71. And today is only going to be a high of like 60. See that? Our compressor's at 6.04. Our current ambient temperature is right now, what is it, 51, 52 degrees. Guys, for some reason, right now, besides demand calls being down, the weather feels good. Being at 60, 62 degrees, no humidity, this is good weather. But you guys know our trade live and die by the weather, so I highly doubt we're gonna have a cold summer. I know whatever is happening right now, it usually breaks apart by like mid to late June, so I'm pretty excited to hop off maintenances and start to rock out with these demand calls. But there you have it, guys. AC maintenance, Goodman, straight AC, 3-ton condenser. Luckily, we tested that cat and we prevented a future issue, that 45.5 cat being at a 39. And I'm not sure if you guys remember the last time I was here for the heat. This customer said that she tried to get multiple companies to come out here years prior for the AC maintenance, but I guess they didn't want to use the ladder. And guys, I said this once, I'll say it again, having a telescoping ladder, you don't know when you're going to need this. You may not need this for a couple of months, but guys, summertime and wintertime, sometimes they can put furnaces in attics with no pull down ladder. So you never know when you're going to need these. Go to Home Depot, Harbor Freights, make sure you get a heavy duty telescoping ladder and take care of it, and the ladder will take care of you whenever you need it. But all right, guys, with that being said, let me pack up, do the paperwork, and I think I got to help this customer program the thermostat. I think she mentioned something like that earlier. But guys, let me pack up and do my thing here. I got to head out. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.